I remember when we reach and say where we're there, you know, we just go. You know what I'm saying? We're going to come off our life. Yeah, people, we're back at it right now. We just do one big interview. We are going to another big one. Guys, you know, so right now, the people them always talk about we, you know. People might talk about we. They can't live without we. A while ago, we pull in that place and trust me, you know, man. Yeah. The thing up.
We up.
Dollars in the pocket and we headed to the top.
Every time we step up in the city or the game, niggas
no money. What them feel like? Yeah. Everybody roll out right now. Me and LA up on the road right now in living color right now. And they say the two madman link up. They say the two this link up. Bowers, all kind of thing then. We don't worry about them because right now we are starting.
Yeah, but the real people them say the gods them link up.
Gods them link up.
Just bad-minded people might have.
Bad-minded.
Yeah, but the real people them say the gods them link up.
That them
you know where the gods. But you ever go on Dr. Love? No, Foota Hype now. And them look about what Aishana, when something like Aishana from She Look a Girl. You understand?
Yeah.
I come lick out. Yeah, remember say, I don't know. Why they are calling my name? Yeah.
My internet bad. At Jamaica we there now.
And then you have some bisexual selector now like Chattis on them board. Women are like 99% of the Jamaican entertainment industry all make love to them woman, kiss up the pum pum, all kind of thing. But yet still them go up on TV like say them are this and them are that. Let me tell you something. Me can't talk for me. Me no fuck the body. Never fuck a body. None of it. Will never. But 65% of the entertainment industry, and I can't call out.
Yes, me shall find them.
Yeah, they are gay. Yes, and
yeah.
And 85% is bisexual. Yes, and how we know? Because enough of them do for reach to the top. We remember you, Dr. Love. You're an entrepreneur different from an artist.
That them for know.
L.A. Lewis is an entrepreneur. I'm on a business. So, me not have to DJ for make money. And then different from that now, I'm a slang creator. Me just create slangs and new words and people pay for doing them. We get paid for your peer. They have to get paid for DJ and sing. Yeah. See it everywhere people are
watching. Everywhere.
What? Say
At.
Yeah.
Right now on the internet I get problem.
Yes.
We don't know what going on the internet right now.
So I don't know why these people are trying to act like say.
I burn out.
Yeah, burn out. But watch you go on now. Big up Shibada, but me not see them about Shibada. I not see them about some gear where you have pitney and them thing there.
But
they go about 7-star General Dr. Love. Come on, for make love to woman.
And them go and say, yo, I'm tell you, so 1-800 make the girls them feel good.
Easily.
that. So right now, who want to talk? Right now, Sizzla say a bag of thing. You see video with Sizzla.
Now, Sizzla now, Miguel. Me and Miguel a friend, but I don't know if Miguel want to get back a hype. Yes, because Miguel knows me are bad people. Miguel knows my boss more than license gun them. Yes, all of my gun them license and register. Yes, and so they do not put badness to L.A. Lewis. They know it not gonna work. I want to try. Yeah. Foota Hype. Come on.
Right now, Foota Hype want a bus back and we're not busting. Foota Hype. We bust you last year 20s. This year, but we're now bust you into the 20th.
Foota Hype call L.A. Lewis name in the dancehall. Come on, man. And I call up Dr. Love name.
And I'm going in the name the thing.
Yeah, everybody.
Right now, Foota, let me tell you something. Let me say Shana right now, me never. That me I tell you.
And then they go vex out.
And you go vex and say yeah.
Because it's a theme girl out.
Let me say Shana right now, me never. You know what I'm saying when you feel like? Foota, you don't have her to eat her and you never do it right, so she left you.
Yeah.
Right?
So scatter do it better.
That's fine, right? Just scatter the boss. Scatter the general. You understand?
No. But do I want to go on now? Different from that now, but fundamental and a pre-fundamental and a sub-honest level. What them for the art know, Dr. Love said, there's nothing wrong with making love to your woman. Yes, sir. So why are you trying to create, why are they trying to create animosity?
As a matter of fact, you know what, people? We are going Instagram.
Yes,
we're going by Instagram right now.
Follow me over there now. Follow up
by Instagram right now. We are going Instagram.
Give them that just when I cover it now.
Instagram at Dr. Love Music. Dr. Love Music. DRLOVE Music. At Instagram we are going right now. Yeah. Instagram. Come by Instagram.
Yeah. And after the show now, you can go on www.trillionairrecord.com. You know if you want the business, okay? You know,
yeah, we are going Instagram right now. Instagram, yeah. Come on. Good, clean hair.
Jamaica would hot. Safe.
Wagon.
People, just get back one phone. So
yeah, right now, me and LA just come from a big interview.
Yeah.
The interview was good. Right now we the talk right now, and you don't know, say Sizzla, Kalanchi, take up the thing, you know, and I send threat. You see me? So we just have to just go clear it up a while ago and do the interview. I said, no threat around here. You see me? No threat around here. Wi-Fi, yeah. Somebody say Wi-Fi weak like a tongue. No, man. The girls don't love LA. So right now, we're on the road. Right now, we are going to have some food and now we have 3 more interviews to go and do.
yeah.
So we are star. You understand?
Today's an interview day.
Today's interview day. Star among star are sparring. You see me, I say? So we just come out and make you know, say, we're there, you see me?
Roll out to the customer dance it.
Up.
How the rap with 7.
7.
Dr. Lewis.
Yeah.
On your record.
Trillionaire record right now. Money in the pocket away into the top. Up.
Every time we step up in the city here,
And we just circle the ends a while ago. And we don't see no treat a go on. Some boys say them a give out treat. And them not have no money if you give out treat. No money at all if you give out treat. Be a promise. Welfare can't win the park on this. Oh yeah. Alright, so you are going now. We reach another destination now. Big destination now. Some boys say them a give out treat and not have nothing to give out and say them a give out treat. Them welfare, them boy depending on man. Welfare, you know. And say them a give out treat. How would them feel like?
How would that?
Eh? Well.
How would that treat?
Eh? One little nasty one. One over there, one. The 3-0 man. 3-0 say I give out treat and not have the money to give out treat.
What busy with that 3-0 there?
Yeah. Alright, you are going. Alright people, we'll be back, alright? Stay tuned. We're going for the next big interview. We just did one. Keep watching the TV. Keep watching the Glean and stuff. Keep watching the Star. Keep watching everything where there's media. Because we're taking the media right now by storm.